Welcome to Mastering and Guideline in Ultrasound and Echo. Hi everyone, here we have hands-on experience number 14. We are doing TAPSE. Is that this measurement correct or not? If not, what is the correct way and measurement? What about this one? What is this one? What type of the study is that, and is the measurement is correct or not? Here we have plaques. Zoom on the LVOT, take measure. This is measurement. Is that correct or not? And what is the correct one? Here we have a plaques. Is that correct plaques or not? Long axis parasternal. Second, do we measure on this for those diameter and thickness or not? Does the take measurement did correct way or not? On this one, this is diastolic and here systolic. Is that correct or not? Here is another one, plaques. Take measure diastolic, as you can see the number. Is that correct measurement and correct spot or not? And what is the correct one? Here is the 4-chamber view, and for Simpson ejection fraction, take the diastolic, this one, as you can see, and systolic, this one. Is that correct measurement or not? What is the correct one? And go a little more detailed, more accurate for how you can measure on this case. Here we have apical 2. Is that correct apical 2 or not? Do you do Simpson or not? Take it on this one, and this diastolic, and this one systolic. Is that correct or not? What is the result of this? Here we have apical 4. The take do continuous on this. As you can see, cursor pass through this line, and you get this Doppler. First, what is this envelope? Belong to what? Second, what is this envelope? Third, can you measure, and where is your spot for measuring IVCT and IVRT? Here, take twist it from the apical 2 to the apical 3. Is that correct apical 3 or not? If not, what maneuver should be done to fix it? How you fix it? And what are your landmarks and guideline to fix it? Here we have patient, go candidate for the chemotherapy for baseline, the request strain echo. As you can see here, does this strain echo correct or not, and reliable or not? If not, where is those view that has problem, and how you can fix it, how you can make it correct? Here we have apical 3 strain based on this, just this framed image. Is that correct strain on apical 3 just based on this image or not? And does it reliable and we can take it or not? Now let's go to the explanation.